doors to let me in, shattered windows and the sound of drums. People couldn't believe what I